So this is the second video I make about my Raypak Crosswind 65i pool heat pump. The first video I made was shortly after I installed it, where I went over the installation and some of the functions. And at this point I've had the pool heater installed for about 1 year and 4 months. And if you saw the first video, then you'll probably notice that my setup is a little different now, because I installed a variable pool pump and flow meters and valves to make sure I pump the right amount of right volume of water through my system daily. So in case you haven't seen the first video, let me give you some basic info here. We are located in Central Florida. My pool is 12,000 gallons, and the pool is screened in, which definitely reduces the heat we're getting from the sun. We could feel that immediately after we had installed the screening. That was actually one of the reasons that we decided to get a pool heater. We like to swim at 89 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's what our pool heater settings have been at pretty much since we got it installed. We do not use the pool when the air temperature climbs down to the low 60s. Not because the pool heater can't handle that. It's just not very pleasant to run around outside in your bathing suit when it's 60 degrees. I don't know. This is Florida. Maybe we are too spoiled down here with the temperatures. So for our pool season, the heater have been absolutely fantastic. The water is always maintained at the 89 degrees we have set it to, and our swimming season has been extended with several months. The pool heater itself is very quiet, and that's definitely a plus for us because it's not too far away from the pool. Now, I know a lot of you guys have asked how much does it cost to run it, and yeah, I'm afraid I'm gonna disappoint you on that one, because shortly before installing the heater we also had a hot tub installed along with an extra freezer in our garage. And after the heater was installed, I changed the pump from a 1-speed to a variable speed pump. So there are just too many change factors for me to calculate the usage cost. And of course your cost will also depend on the weather and temperature and the humidity where you are located. But all in all, we are totally happy with this heater. It does what we need it to do 100%, and I really don't know what else I could ask for from a pool heater. It's a set and forget kind of thing. We started up in the spring and don't even think about it until it's fall and the weather's too cold. Then we go out and turn it off again. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comment section below, and remember to subscribe, because if something happens, if any issues shows up, then I will post another follow-up video. Thank you for watching.